Oh, this is perfect for the mics, bro. Look at this. Bro, miking finna be nuts at the wedding now. Oh my God, bro, I got 15 mics in here. Oh my goodness, I can move. The leg straps I can keep right here. So I can just show up and be like, hey guys, how are you? Yeah, let me mic you up. I need something right here with more tools. I'm legit finna show up and film all day like this. I'm gonna have everything on me. Like this one over here can have all the belt pouches. Boom. Damn, this dope. It even got a back little pouch, little top pouch right here. My Ursa stickies, because they always fall out. I can have extra stickies just on standby. I might make this a mini audio accessory bag. This thing is wise. 15 microphones in this bag. 15. You don't know if I'm finna film the wedding or build the venue. Just Important Media, building a venue near you.